Hello Playmo pals, it is time for a new Playmobil unboxing and review. Today let's take a look at the Dwarf Warrior. Welcome back and thanks for checking out our little video. Today we're taking a look at set number 70378, the Dwarf Warrior, part of the Special Plus line. This is another one that's been in a closet waiting to be broken out of its cardboard prison, and today is the day. I'm eager to see this one up close and personal and to add it to my recent collection of medieval and fantasy clickies. So starting with the box, here's our Dwarf Warrior, ready for battle aside a display stand with which to store weapons of war until needed. To the left is the Special Plus logo and barcode. To the right is a continuation of that front image.
Here's the bottom.
These are toys, not food.
Here's the top.
The back repeats the bottom side's message not to eat the contents of the package, and then shows all of the aforementioned package contents photographed separately. But enough of the box details. Let's crack this thing open and see what's inside. Notice there's no mini catalog in this box, but we have a decent amount of items here. Maybe we'll get a duplicate part, but I'm not holding my breath. Here is our dwarf. I didn't expect him to have white hair, but that's okay. He'll have the helmet on most of the time, so it doesn't matter.
Here's a gauntlet. Here's the other gauntlet. We have shoulder armor. Whoa, he has two shoulders? Helmet time, yeah baby. Helmet decor. Let's add some flair to this ensemble.
Yeah.
Who's got an axe hammer? I got an axe hammer. No one's gonna hurt our dwarf. Our dwarf has a shield. And finally, a golden dagger. It's so pretty, don't you think?
And here he is. Pretty cool looking, huh? I like it. Let's put that stand together. Alright, so starting off with this front piece, this, I guess it goes this way. Yep, according to the picture it does. And it'll hold the two swords. This is one thing I already don't like about this piece, is that the swords, they just kind of fall in. They don't hold, they don't snap. So obviously, knocking it over will cause the swords to fall out and potentially get lost. And then we have this piece here that I've been kind of looking at and kind of like wondering, how does it go? There are no instructions with this set today. That kind of looks like the way to go. Hold on. Yeah, that looks, yeah, there we go. Okay, that makes sense. It doesn't, but it does. Yeah, so, and then that affixes to the back end of the front there and allows it to prop the front up and at an angle too, I guess, to help keep the pieces together. Now, this little clip here will hold the flag in place. I don't know if you just saw that, but I bent the flag a little bit. It didn't come into the package very straight, but this is also a weaker plastic, so it bends quite a bit when you try to put it in. And it does fit in nice and snug, which is great, more than what I can say about the swords. And then here's the flag and the picture on it, and the colors are already imprinted on the flag, so there is no other sticker, which I do like that a lot. But of course, the paint on the plastic can always get rubbed off or fade in time. So we got that now. Whoops. And there goes my case in point with the sword just falling out. Nothing wants to stay right now. So right now I'm just trying to get the flag even so it'll stick. There, it'll stay, and the thing that I'm putting together here will just stay straight. All right. So yeah, this looks pretty cool. And I just remembered that the shield needs to go right there in the middle. That's what we're missing here. But anyway, guys, that is it. We will see you again very soon. I have been going crazy at my job, so it has kind of kept me from making further videos. I have been like making videos weeks in advance so that you guys have something every Sunday, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get back to that. So guys, hope you liked the video. Please subscribe if you haven't. We do have more content on the way, several of them that I'm really excited to show you. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time right here on PlaymoAF. Bye-bye.